In this video, we will see how I create a beautiful title slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. So, let's start the video. Click on right button, go to Format Background and select Color. Go to Insert, click on SmartArt, click on List. Select this, then OK. Click on right button, select Ungroup from Group. Again click on right button, select Ungroup from Group. Go to Format, Shape Outline, make it no outline. Deselect this and set it like this. Press Ctrl Shift to make it duplicate. Go to Shape Fill, select No Fill. Shape Outline, select Color and also increase width size. Right click, go to Format Shape, increase transparency. Go to Effect, select this glow variation. Go to Preset, select this, decrease size, set it like this. Press Ctrl Shift, take it downside. Go to Rotate, select Flip Horizontal. Select all three shapes, go to Merge Shape, select Union. Go to Insert, click on Picture. Here I have downloaded a picture from Google. Select and insert it. Click on right button, send to back. Go to Rotate, select Flip Horizontal. Select both. Go to Merge Shape, select Intersect. Go to Insert, click on Text Box and slide here. Press Ctrl Shift, take it downside. Add design here. Also add information and logo here. Now click on Slideshow. So, see friends, how our business profession slide looks like. It's wonderful and very easy to create. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Thank you.